Right now, you're staring at a piece of dead technology. That plastic streaming stick plugged into the back of your television is officially obsolete. While the entire world was distracted by shiny new iPhones and expensive MacBooks, Apple was silently plotting the biggest hardware assassination of the decade. They're not just upgrading the Apple TV in 2026. They are releasing a flagship-grade supercomputer disguised as a simple black box. This aggressive new device is designed to completely bankrupt Amazon, Google, and Roku in a single day. It will instantly turn your living room into a fully private, hyper-intelligent server room. The competition is completely asleep at the wheel. By the time they realize what Apple has actually built, it will be far too late. Do not even think about buying a new smart TV, a smart home hub, or a gaming console until you hear these exclusive leaks. This information completely rewrites the rules of home technology. The core of this violent industry takeover starts with the silicon. Apple is no longer putting cheap, recycled processors into their television boxes. The highly trusted US-based website MacRumors published a groundbreaking report exposing Apple's secret supply chain. They confirmed Apple is aggressively pulling the incredibly expensive A17 Pro chip out of their top-tier smartphones and dropping it directly into the 2026 Apple TV. The famous code sleuth Aaron Paris proved this exact strategy on X under the handle at Aaron613. He dug deep into Apple's hidden backend software and posted his findings. His post stated, "I found unreleased identifiers named Apple TV 14, 1 and 14, 5 proving Apple is heavily testing A17 Pro chips right now." Over in France, the major technology publication Le Figaro Tech verified these extreme power claims. They published un explosive article stating in their original language, Apple prépare une révolution silencieuse pour le salon avec une puce 3 nanomètres. Translated to English, this means Apple is preparing a silent revolution for the living room with a 3-nanometer chip. They confirmed this unique architecture delivers massive raw speed while generating zero heat, making the device completely silent. Here is a detail card covering the Silicon B specs. Flagship processing power, hardware ray tracing, unified memory architecture, zero thermal throttling, silent fanless design, instant uploading, dynamic video decoding. You are probably asking yourself why a television box needs the brain of a flagship smartphone. The answer is incredibly strategic. Apple is deliberately delaying this hardware release to launch a completely localized artificial intelligence network. The respected UK-based tech site PocketLint revealed the truth behind the missing Apple TV. They reported that Apple halted production because the old Siri is simply too stupid to run the modern living room. The most accurate Apple leaker in the world, Mark Gurman, posted on X under the handle at Markerman to confirm this exact delay. His post firmly stated, Apple is tying the new Apple TV 4K to its updated Siri, delaying the launch to 2026 to showcase full Apple intelligence. Because the A17 Pro chip is so powerful, your voice commands will never be sent to a slow, unsecure cloud server again. Everything is processed instantly on the device itself. International tech site Zero Wireless reported on an insane software partnership making this possible. They published an English report detailing how Apple Intelligence and Google Gemini are merging behind scenes. They noted that the Apple TV will use this hybrid AI to understand complex human emotions. You can ask your television to find a movie based on a highly specific, complicated mood. The generative AI will instantly build a custom interface just for you. Here is a detail card covering the AI mainframe. On-device Siri processing, generative content discovery, complete privacy control, contextual voice recognition, instant search results, deep Gemini integration, real-time live captions. Apple knows that a powerful AI needs to control everything to be truly useful. That is why they are weaponizing the 2026 Apple TV to become the mandatory brain of your entire physical property. The highly trusted tech site XDA developers uncovered the first phase of this attack. They reported that Apple quietly killed off the ability for older iPads to act as home hubs. They did this specifically to force every single user onto the new Apple TV ecosystem. To make sure this new smart home brain never drops a signal, Apple is building custom networking hardware. Major U.S. tech site 9 to 5 Mac revealed a massive code leak showing Apple is installing a brand new custom wireless chip called the N1. Highly trusted tech leaker unknowns 21 posted on X under the handle at uRedditor about this massive networking upgrade. His post stated, "The new custom N1 chip will handle massive wireless data, supporting Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3 for zero network buffering. This means your new Apple TV will instantly force any smart lock, security camera, or light bulb to communicate perfectly. There will be zero network lag and absolutely no setup headaches." Here is a detail card covering the ultimate home control. Custom N1 silicon. Universal Thread Router. Deep matter integration. Zero network buffering. Uncompressed 4K streaming. Instant device pairing. Seamless ecosystem sync. Now we arrive at the absolute kill shot. Apple is accidentally creating a high-end gaming console that will severely damage PlayStation and Xbox sales. Top tech leaker Shrimp Apple Pro took to X under the handle at @VinChocotaco to expose this aggressive gaming push. He confirmed Apple is doubling the device memory to a massive 8 GB of RAM. Danish display technology site Flat Panels HD also reported heavily on this gaming hardware. They published an article titled in Danish, "Rigged. Nyest Apple TV for A17 Pro chip med ray tracing." Translated to English, this means rumor. Next Apple TV to get a 17 Pro chip with ray tracing. This is not for playing casual mobile games. Apple wants you playing incredibly heavy, massive console titles like Resident Evil and Death Stranding natively on your television. You will get extreme console-level graphics for a fraction of the cost of a dedicated gaming rig. Here is a detail card covering the console-level threat. AAA native gaming. Maximum graphical output. Realistic light rendering. High frame rate support. Zero lock input. Massive storage tiers. Console controller compatibility. How does Apple convince the entire planet to buy this supercomputer? They're going to slash the price to a level that makes zero financial sense. Legendary supply chain analyst Ming-Chi Kuo posted a shocking leak on X under the handle at Ming-Chi about this pricing strategy. His post firmly stated, "The next Apple TV requires a lower starting price to achieve total market dominance, targeting an aggressive sub $100 or $129 price tag." This completely flips the global tech market upside down. Apple is willingly losing money on the hardware just to trap you inside their perfect ecosystem. You are getting an A17 Pro supercomputer, a high-end gaming console, a universal smart home router, and an on-device AI mainframe for the price of a cheap dinner. Apple is perfectly positioning this Trojan horse to wipe out their rivals forever. Do not buy a new streaming stick right now. Do not upgrade your smart home hubs. The living room rules are about to change permanently. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that, and give your best opinion about this product.